Meghalaya Post.news.
Deputy Inspector General of Police DNR Marak Uloong Bakjinglap ya Mangalsutra ka Sati Ksai ka Ksai ki Pulit Bantwet ya ka Sonam Raghuvanshi kum ka badan ketilang ha ka Pynïap yulok jangka uraja Raghuvanshi laban kedo ba ka jinget kiringet Hindu kolong ba ka kenthe hadi Malaya tho kam julau yo Mangalsutra narandang ha ba kren sikilap thai por DNR Marak Uloong ba ka jinglap ki Pulit ka medyap jong raja Raghuvanshi ha ka arterik ujliu Wada kawat baha kalai tarik kala pelong shishu ikpulit ban suba baka Sonam gadang kti ban Pynïap yalau kurim. Deputy IGP ula kubur baka Sonam kala plaru baka dan benta banya suboj baka kunhon nang Pynïap briu ban shim kajing imraja. Ula itu ru baki pulit gilazang suba baka Sonam kala bandan kti lang ban Pynïap yalau kurim namar hadian bala budian ya kirinsan social media jangki kurim ki pulit kinmap setia bakin shandur ni ban pu sigidur jangki arngut wala kiwan syangkai prathai honeymoon syasora.
Yes, she has confessed that she is a part of the conspiracy, but the question about as to who is the mastermind that needs to be established because she is blaming Raj, whereas Raj is blaming or putting the blame on Sonam. Yes, we will take them to Sora after we have completed our interrogation because during the interrogation we need to establish the facts and the inconsistencies in the statements of different accused persons that will have to be ironed out, and once there is clarity in the statements of all the accused persons, then we will be taking them to different places for recreation of the crime scene. Now that is what we are establishing that fact through interrogation, and we will be also based on their statements we will be verifying whatever she says, and then we will be able to say how much or what kind of transaction have taken place. As of now, the accused persons have denied, but that cannot be ruled out, and it is a matter of further investigation. See, the SIT members are there, and the members of the SIT, as they are interrogating these accused persons. See, first of all, when they give their statements, we have to verify the veracity of their statements. Like if they say that, okay, we have done this, or we have gone to that place, X, Y, Z place, or all that, we will actually have to physically go and verify whether their statement matches with the facts or not. So that we will have to actually physically go and investigate and verify their statements as to their alibis. As of now, she has denied, and from the statements of the accused person, it appears that it was the hired contract killers who actually killed Raja. Yes, the statement of the accused persons, that is the contract killers, suggests that Sonam helped in throwing the body after Raja was killed. She helped in lifting the body and throwing to the gorge.
Red light for police.
It is one of the red lights in a sense that see, there were certain inconsistencies in the facts that were before the police at that point of time. Like for instance, we had recovered the body, we had recovered the murder weapon, but the girl was missing. Then there was a case of this Mangalsutra. There were also cases like, for instance, a new couple had come to Sora for honeymoon, and there was nothing posted on the social media, no photographs taken of the couple and all that. So these were the red flags that actually made the police investigate the angle of probably an inside job. Yes, this is prima facie, it appears so, but like I said, we will be able to establish all that and confirm all that only after we complete the interrogation. As far as we know, they carried the suitcase. The rider put it in front in the front side and between his legs, and that was how they carried the suitcase. Yes, it appears halfway she went along with this other accused persons, halfway up till Mokadok, and from Mokadok it appears she went. The other accused persons, is three contract killers. They went ahead, and Sonam from there proceeded to Guwahati, and then thereafter to Indore. Yes, it must be either the contract killers or Sonam herself, because at that point in time there were three scooties. And it appears they were together at a point of time. That scooty was abandoned at Sorarim with the key on, with the key of the scooty. And thereafter, Sonam got into one of the scooties along with the contractors. See, the details I'll not be able to share at this stage, but we have sufficient officers who are part of this interrogation team. All the persons who are directly involved in the killing of Raja have been arrested. If there are any more accused persons, that we will establish during the course of investigation. Scooty has been hired from Shillong, so we are also confirming about when they hired, where they went, and all that, and all the routes also. We are also confirming from the source. See, as far as our information goes, they probably reach Shillong around the same time with Sonam and Raja. See, we have already given in our earlier statements also that Sonam and Raj, they are the prime suspects, okay, and the prime accused. So we stand by that. As of now, they continue to be the prime accused. However, who is the actual mastermind who actually started this plot? That needs to be established at this stage. See, that is why first we are now recording the statements of these accused persons separately, individually. At a later date, now we will confront them with the other accused persons, and the contradictory statements will be placed before both the accused at the same time. And then we will see that so-and-so is saying this, so-and-so is saying this. What actually is the truth? That we will be placing before the accused persons, and we will establish the truth based on by confronting each other, the accused persons. We will be seeking assistance from Guwahati police also, and all other state police, wherever the assistance is required. We will be seeking assistance and help from those police forces as well.
MeghalayaPost.News